What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect any Fire Boltt smartwatch you have to your phone. This video will work for any type or model of Fire Boltt smartwatch you have, and the process is quite simple. First things first, you have to make sure that your Fire Boltt smartwatch is fully charged and not connected to any other device, and then on your phone you want to just go over to the top notification center on your phone, make sure you turn on Bluetooth, and then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Once that is done, you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then from the Google Play Store you want to come over to the search bar at the bottom over here, and then go ahead and search for DA, so just DA then Fit, just like so. Then search for this and then make sure you download and install this DA smartwatch app into your phone. And once it is downloaded and installed, the setup process is quite simple. You want to just go ahead and open it up directly from here by clicking on the open button, and then from over here make sure you agree to the terms and conditions. Click on agree and continue. Now give it permission to access your location, so click on while using this app, click on the allow button over here, and now from over here it is searching for available devices it can actually connect to. But if it does not find the name of your Fire Boltt smartwatch over here and it shows you that no device is found, you can just close the app and then try opening it again, and you should be able to find the name of your Fire Boltt smartwatch. As you can see, this is mine. I will go ahead and select it just like so, and then it is trying to connect, as you can see. And as you can see, they are both connected now. Once both devices are connected, you're going to notice that the time on your Fire Boltt smartwatch will also be correct. What you want to do now is to just go ahead and click on the pair button so that they will also pair via Bluetooth as well. And now you want to just click on the next button. Now go ahead and fill in all of this information over here. So select your gender, your date of birth, your height, your weight, and your steps. Now you can now proceed to click on the done button over here. And just like so, we have now successfully connected the Fire Boltt smartwatch to our phone. You can just click on the allow button over here to give it permission to send notifications to your Fire Boltt smartwatch. And that is basically all you have to do to connect and set up your Fire Boltt smartwatch with your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.